Hello everyone, welcome to AJ's One in a Trillion channel, and this will be a two-part video because it's talking about two different things, but I'm gonna do them both today. I just don't want to mix the video. So this is part one, and I'm going to be talking about my fetal Doppler that I bought on Amazon. Yeah, I bought me a fetal Doppler on Amazon because I'm having such a rough pregnancy. I like to be able to check on the baby here and there. So this is what it looks like. It came like this, and then this is the back where you would need to put your batteries. I believe I put AA batteries in here. Let me see. It took 2 AA batteries. And I've used it quite a few times so far, and the battery is still full. I'm still suffering a lot with the hyperemesis, so bear with me. The pump isn't really working, but we'll talk about that in part two. It's working slightly. I'm 18 weeks pregnant now. I think I've been able to use this Doppler and hear, because at first when I used it, I wasn't able to find the heartbeat. But now, what week was I able to hear the baby? Maybe week 13 with this Doppler. So I'm 18 weeks now. I just turned 18 weeks on Friday. So we are gonna find out how to use this Doppler. Well, I know how, but I'm gonna show y'all in case you're purchasing a Doppler and this is your first time maybe having a baby or using it. This is my first time having my own Doppler at home. I usually just wait till I go to the doctor. Okay, so you should use some type of lubricant, like a petroleum jelly type of actually they have a special type of jelly to use for these ultrasound machines, but a lot of people use different types of petroleum jelly or not petroleum jelly, lubricant. A lot of people use different types of lubricant to use their Doppler, but I read somewhere you could just use baby oil if you want to for a while. So I have a bottle of baby oil, which is almost gone, and because my kids be ashy, we all gray, but anyway, yeah, so I use baby oil for mine. So let's get into this Doppler. All right, this is the on button, this big square button here. You want to when you turn it on, see, it looks like that. You want to make sure you have the volume down in the lowest sound possible. Okay, now it might be helpful if you use that type of jelly to use this machine, because it helps to really minimize the outside sounds and really focus in on the baby. So let's get into this. I have the volume down and low, and I'm gonna take it apart. So I only turned it on because I wanted y'all to see the buttons and whatnot. This is how you turn their volume up with the up arrow. So let me focus my camera. This is my belly. Forgive it if it's bruised up and whatnot. It's from my pump that I have. So I'm gonna just put a little oil down below. So see, so all right, putting a little oil there. I'm just gonna rub it around here, and I'm gonna put this towel, tuck it a little bit so we don't make a mess. All right. So I have my machine on. It's in the lowest volume possible so that you can look around and hear, listen around and see if you can find the heartbeat. Then once you find the heartbeat, you're going to turn the volume up. So for the video purposes, I'm going to turn it up. It's not going to be really bother me that much. But, so you hear that noise? So if you had the petroleum jelly, you probably wouldn't hear all of that staticky noise. That noise right there is not the baby's heartbeat. It's the womb noises. It's the womb sound. You'll know when you'll hear. I could kind of hear the baby heartbeat somewhere around there. So let's look. Let's try to get a little. It's usually, I usually go straight down. And let's see. Those are womb sounds again. Let me straighten my leg out. Oh, I hear it somewhere over there. Let's see. That wasn't it. Sometimes it takes a second to try to find the heartbeat at home. You know, the doctors always find it ASAP. They're used to doing it though. Yeah, you are going to have to change his diaper. That's Baby Royal in the background. See, those are womb noises. Those are... The baby's moving, okay? I can feel it. Hold on. My machine is... Sorry. That was my pump. It was about to start alarming. Let's see. Let's get back into finding the baby's heartbeat. It wouldn't be up there. Well, sometimes it's... I found it right here before, like the last 2 times. So now you can turn the channels on this too. Like if you press this button, see, it'll go strictly to, you could find the heartbeat. It'll pop up there. It's not, that's not really the baby's heartbeat yet, but you can turn it back to that screen with the, where it monitors the womb noises or the fetal movement, like not fetal movement, the womb noises and the heartbeat, and you can see the, you know, the stitching of how it's up and down, up and down. But so I like it on this channel. I don't like it just to be on the heartbeat. Okay, I'm gonna put this down for a second so I can really get in here. There we go. I know. See, I gotta... That's a shame. I gotta move my belly fat to find it. I heard it, but it's like down. No. Hold on. All right. Let me put a little more oil. Because I didn't put like a lot of oil on it over here. I only put it like over there in the middle. So let's see. But it's over here because I heard it when I moved up my belly fat. I heard it when I moved my belly fat up. There it is. There it is. You hear the difference between that and all those womb noises? Let's see, the heart rate is 155, which is good. You want your baby's heart rate to be like 150 something. The fetus heart rates are pretty high compared to, you know, an adult heart rate. But that's baby number 4. Oh. Your baby number 3.
Wait, if you had 4 babies in your belly, there will be more babies.
Forgive my hair, I just washed it today, which was like, oh my God, I was throwing up and everything. It was so hard to do my hair, but I refused to pay anybody to do my hair because the last time I paid somebody, they charged me $200 to wash my hair and put some twists, some regular like big twist in my hair. So I'll just wash my hair and, you know, put these braids, and then I'm gonna see if my daughter will be gracious enough to blow dry it straight.
And there was a girl who messed up the Pierce's hair.
All right, I don't do this every day. I do this probably like twice a week. I'll check the baby, or if I'm just like really feeling really bad, or I'm just really like, because I don't really feel the baby move. Like the rest of my kids were very active by week 18. So I don't really feel it move often. I feel it here and there. And I don't know, I just, being as sick as I've been, I'm not really having good vibes, but I'm trying to stay positive. So this is some of my positivity sprinkled all around. I can hear my baby's heartbeat, and it's still going strong, strong little heartbeat. I'm just suffering. So I look like the little roach on the little roaches with the big belly off of Men in Black. All right, so make sure you just keep trying. Down below, like start here down the center. If you have a little flab like I do, you might have to lift it up like I did to find it. So you want to move around with this a little bit. You got to find the sweet spot, and sometimes it's not as easy as it looks at the doctors or on YouTube for other people's videos to find the baby's fetal heartbeat. All right, let me show you how, if I change it to the other channel. It'll up. Hold on. My baby said, leave me alone. You done heard me. I'm good. Okay. So this is the other channel. Like you can hear, if you just want to watch the heart rate, you can turn it to that. But see, it keeps losing it. Oh, it just kicked me. I don't know if y'all saw that. Nope, because I was blocking it. It's like, go. I can hear now, because I think at 18 weeks, they can hear now in the womb. So he or she is probably like, what? I don't want to keep hearing this noise. I'm pretty sure it sounds a little different in the womb than it does to, but you get the drift. If you turn it to this channel and you find the heart rate, it'll just show just the heart rate on there without the, yeah, I feel the baby moving a little bit, like it's really faint, but it's still small. It's like the size of my palm of my hand, so it could fit in there if I. Well, I tried. So that concludes our little video. Make sure you turn it off. You see how my battery is still full. I don't use it all the time. Like I said, I don't really harass the baby like that. I just check for concerns and whatnot when I feel worried about it, which isn't, I've just been suffering so much that I don't even get to really check on the safety of the baby, all besides going to the doctor, because I don't be feeling good. So I just be laying here and I'm trying to finish up my classes. So this is the Doppler I bought off of Amazon, and I think it was like, I can't remember if it was 20 or 30 bucks, but I'll try to include the link to this Doppler below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe like Baby Royal said. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll be back for part 2 of the video because I have to change out my pup. All right. Thank you. Thank you for watching AJ's 1 in a Trillion channel. Peace.